The Z Flip5 now has a larger, edge-to-edge 3.4-inch AMOLED cover screen, which is a major improvement from its predecessor. The Z Fold5, on the other hand, remains relatively unchanged in terms of its inner and cover screens. Both models come with a more powerful Snapdragon chipset, improved thermal management, and sturdier Gorilla Glass protection. The new Flex hinge allows the devices to fold flat, unlike previous generations. The Z Fold5 also supports the S Pen, although it does not have a built-in holder for it. The devices come with extensive software support and similar features as their predecessors, including battery capacities, charging options, and camera capabilities. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5 and Z Flip5 are highlighted for their camera features. The Z Fold5 boasts a 50-megapixel main camera, a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto lens, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. On the other hand, the Z Flip5 has a 12-megapixel main camera and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The hardware in both devices is the same, but the image processing is expected to be improved due to a more powerful chipset. Handheld samples of the camera capabilities were shared during Samsung's Unpacked event, demonstrating the device's stabilization and the convenience of using the main cameras for selfies. The Z Fold5 starts at $1,800, while the Z Flip5 is priced at $1,000. It remains to be seen if the refinements are enough to justify an upgrade, and viewers are invited to share their opinions in the comments until the full review is released.